RVOD was the only one who called it. Why do you think that? I don't get it. As long as XRP is above $3. Bullish! Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse thinks that the XRP ETF will come out in the second half of 2025. But pay attention. This happened a long time ago. Okay, a few months ago. But there are still 11 different, or like more than one, on top of a number of. The SEC is still waiting on different applications to start ETFs. They'll be up and running in the second half of this year. Do you know that we haven't even started yet? Yes, there is still nothing moving. The next dominoes fall even faster after the first one. Do you guys know how much money is going to come into XRP in the second half of the year? Yes? Starting pretty soon? Okay, we're getting really close. Don't forget that moving XRP doesn't cost much either. Okay, so again, things are going to get really exciting here, because there's an extra piece about to fly away. To let you guys know, I already tweeted this. Extra P costs $3.50 right now. Where did the extra piece price go? We are going up the 4 triples. About 13 hours ago, the 4 triple positive aversions were confirmed. Okay, 13 hours and 2 minutes ago, it was proven, and we did move up after that. Now here's the deal. I really believe that $4 will be hit by the end of next week. Yes? It's possible because of many things, because the money coming in on the longer periods is still a lot. And let's hope that these times like 4 hourly can grow into 12 hourly ones, right? To being optimistic, which is how it is now. Guys, it looks like it's about to be clipped, triggered, and then done every day. Yes, as soon as these higher time frames get activated and prices start to move higher. I don't think this will stop anytime soon. As I said before, XRP must not go below this level. There isn't much support here. It is now. It looks like we're moving up, guys. I think this was the price of XRP at $3.05. Okay, guys, look at what I said over here. I did show some kind of order, but I'm not sure if we have to follow it anymore because something changed. But first, let me watch this. This is where the 4 hourly bullish divergence began and was set off. But it didn't work because I believe they needed an hourly positive divergence. That's being made right now. Again, that's still going on. The 4 hourly bullish divergence and the 4 hourly bullish divergence are being made right now. If those are proven, it should push us higher, right? I think this is going to be the bottom. And what I think will happen next is, like this, guys, we pump all the way up here and then we come down for one last stock grab very quickly, and then we'll start going up. That's the end. Yes, that is true. Is that a real run? So where were we when that happened? Okay, I see. The only thing that was different was that they came down one more time, right? It looked like there was a building here. So this is where we were, guys. I said something like this. We're going to go up like this all the way down, and then we'll move up, but they've already gone down. Do you see this for the extra positive divergences? How about the structure? Has it changed? That's why I say they might come down one more time, right? So guys, even if they do go up like this, they didn't get the money here, right? They might have, but I don't think that's necessary. Do you agree? The reason is that you should look at what happened before. They pumped it up a little and then came down. Now for the second test, it looks like a double bottom and then they go up. Was that all? What do you think? I'm not sure, guys, but things look great, right? As we've already said, it hasn't even started yet, right? Because of the curve, you know why. By the way, it's being made right now. Look at this. Touch the attack angle 1, the attack angle 2, and the attack angle 3. That's the second one then. What do you think? It's over when the third line is made. XRP will go up in a straight line, right? Not even like that. It's more likely to be like that. Yes? It's going to go straight up. Do you see how well the curve is still coming together? But this is for longer periods of time. Guys, I don't think we've seen anything yet. Yes, as soon as the 12-hourly and daily charts show that prices are going up, are you ready to go? We'll see what takes place. But right now, things look really good. Very pretty wheels were buying a lot while it held 10 million to 100 million XRP. It just looked for 8.31 billion XRP, which is a new monthly high. Okay, so they're buying all through these times, right? Take a look. This is really weird. XRP dropped from $3.60 to $3, but you can see it's a sign that the bots got us, that the addresses moved up. The trend is also going up. Interesting. XRP just ended its daily trade. XRP just closed out the day with a strong dragonfly doji. Wow, it did. How cool is that? That marks the bottoms. Or at least that lets the person know that a change is coming soon. I could say it again, we might not even test down there again, because the longer time frames look too strong, guys. If those get hit, that's it. I don't think we'll go down as we go up. Guys, look at how pretty that is, RSI. It never went below this point, but the body candles did close below it on the 4-hourly, 12-hourly, and 24-hourly time frames. Look at all these other pivots, right? You can see that RSI is very low. There is still a price above. Hey, these pivots are another sign of a bullish split, right, in some way. Here's another one for the daily, right? Do you guys see these hinges price is still above that area, and other bullish signs are showing up on the daily chart as well. More bullish divergence is also being made. Today, not quite, but more so on the daily 100% and 12-hourly charts. These are important time frames, by the way, which means that when they are confirmed, things will move quickly. That's why I said that the 4-hourly charts should hopefully snowball into the 12-hourly and then the daily. Let us see what takes place. Wales bought a £130 million note in the last 24 hours. They didn't want it to drop below that level like we were asking, right? I don't think they have. I think the building will die if they go below it. At the very least, the run is over. I don't think they'll let it go below. On the 4-hourly chart, XRP needs to move above this 21st moving average, which is about $3.20, right? As you go up, there are a few resistances, but I honestly believe it will cut through them like butter. Here is a short-term goal for XRP. $4.45 is the next goal. Okay, this seems to be some kind of trend. It looks like a diamond is being made here, doesn't it? Again, guys, $4.40 around there. Interesting, 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 interesting.